What's up guys, Meredith with Extreme Terrain, and today we are checking out the SCT Performance BDX tuner fitting all 2007 through 2017 5.7 liter Toyota Tundras. Now tuners can do a lot for your truck when it comes to performance, drivability, and overall just providing you with much more information that you really can't get through your factory features. Now this, however, will offer you all of that, which will make it a great choice for the Tundra owner who's looking for safe and reliable performance as far as an increase to liven up the 5.7, whether you just want a quicker feel or you need the extra oomph when you're hauling or towing. I do want to call out that this will only be compatible with PC and Windows, so just keep that in mind when you're adding it to your cart. Now this tuner will include a lot when it comes to the benefits, like pre-configured SCT tunes that are specifically tailored to the 5.7 liter Tundra, so you can install that performance without having to take this to a tuner or your truck to a tuner, spending extra money on a custom tune or doing anything yourself. However, if you do want something that is a bit more custom, this will hold up to 10 custom tune files, and you'll be able to monitor your parameters with the ability to data log it for reference for yourself or the person tuning your truck. Now with the OBD2 access, you can also read and clear CELs or check engine lights, which is again much more helpful than the factory features, just giving you a light on the dash, leaving you in the dark with what's wrong with your truck. This will tell you exactly what's wrong. Now, although this will only work with PC and Windows when plugged into a computer, this will also have Wi-Fi capability for super easy updates in the cloud, so you can always make sure that your tuner is up to date. Now the construction here is going to be pretty similar to most tuners, but what I will say is that this has a really refined appearance to it and a pretty cool chunky kind of feel that is going to be very comfortable in your hand. Now on the front you'll have a fairly large and very easily readable colored screen, and you'll also get some standard buttons down at the bottom for scrolling the device and selecting. Now the device will also come with 2 wires in the kit. You'll have an OBD2 to HDMI, and you'll also have a USB to a micro USB. This is just going to be updating the device and downloading tunes from the computer and reading information as well as data logging through your OBD2. Now this is going to come in at about $475 for the device, and compared to other options, that's fairly normal for this type of tuner. Now you'll see a lot of different options when it comes to the device itself as well as the uses, with some being really focused on throttle response or only some having a couple of features, as to where this is going to be very specific to tuning, changing parameters to get you a power increase out of your 5.7 liter and have the ability to data log and do much more. This is going to include a lot as far as tuners is concerned. This also has pre-written tunes and space for your own, along with the benefits of just being a well-built and easy-to-use system. I think this is a great choice if you want to invest in a tuner that's going to have all of those benefits to get the most performance out of your 5.7 liter. Now the install will be a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. It should take you about 15 minutes to get the job done. A lot of the install is really just going to be making sure that the tuner is updated and downloading those specific tunes to your vehicle. Now speaking of the install, one of our customers has plugged this into their Tundra and set it up, so they are going to walk you through step by step how to do that to yours. So that is going to wrap it up for me. Let's go ahead and jump into the install.
All right, I bought the SCT programmer for my Tundra, and I'm going to go ahead and do the install. Go ahead and plug it in here to the OBD2. Alright, it's currently reading. Put the key in. Turn the key on. Press continue. Go ahead and put premium. Speed limiter. Removed. Shift point. Performance. Throttle sense. Performance. Approve. Battery voltage. I gotta turn the vehicle on. All right, the battery voltage should be good now. We're gonna go ahead and retry this. All right, I gotta remove the key from the ignition. Wait 5 seconds. Put it to the run position. Try again. All right, now we're writing the tune currently. This should take a few minutes and then I'll be back once it's done being written. All right, the tune just finished uploading. Gonna turn the key onto the on position. Press continue. Turn the key onto the off position. Press continue. Congratulations, it's been done. And that's it.
So that is going to wrap it up for my review and the install of this SCT Performance BDX tuner fitting all 2007 through 2017 5.7 liter Toyota Tundras, and you can find this right here at extremeterrain.com.